Hello, my name is Mark Lane. I'm Deputy Head of Moulton School Sixth Form. We've had two days here with Toolbox, hosted by Moulton College, and we've had all our Year 12s here working on their employability skills. I'd like to just point out that Mark and George have been very enthusiastic. The students have been well engaged, and it's really helped them formulate their personal statements, analyse their personal skills, and start to prepare really for job applications, job adverts and job interviews. So once again, many thanks to Toolbox for their help today. Thank you.